Hi, today we are using the DECO Just Glitter markers to create shading over a previously colored image. So let's get started. To create this project, you're going to need a piece of craft cardstock, the LEPLUME II red, olive green, and jungle green markers, we'll be using the jewel picker and the DECO Just Glitter Premium markers in green, red, and gold. For the stamps, we are using Studio KATIA POINSETTIA trimmings, along with some black embossing powder and red jewels. We're going to begin by stamping the sentiment from POINSETTIA trimmings and covering that in black embossing powder and heat setting that. Then we're going to follow by stamping the flowers on the corner and stamping it twice, just enough to layer it over on the corner. We are going to color those with our LEPLUME II in olive green for our darkest color, and then coming in and shading with that jungle green. For the flowers, we're going to be using the red and color all the poinsettias. For the center, we're going to use the DECO Just Glitter Premium marker in red to create the little center drops. Then we're going to come in and shade with the red glitter marker. This is really going to make this card pop. Allow a little bit of time to dry and come in with the green and just dab over the green leaves. If you have a little mistake like I do there, just go ahead and clean it off with a baby wipe before it dries off. Now, using our Marvy jewel picker, we're going to place the jewels onto the actual card. We place drops of adhesive and then place the jewels. And that does it. This is an easy way to create glittery, gorgeous shading on coloring. Thanks so much. Have an awesome day.